Fine Dolls, I'm back, and today I will be doing a very interesting video today. But before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. Let's get into it. I am going to do a video that I have been wanting to do for a long time. It's about Black-owned businesses. And as a Black-owned business owner myself, I definitely had to cover this. Yesterday was Blackout Tuesday, which was a movement created to support Black-owned businesses. And I feel like you should definitely shop with Black-owned businesses every day, not just one day, but that's another topic. I wanted to cover one topic that I feel that should definitely have some light shed on it because a lot of people are constantly dragging Black-owned businesses all the time. And honestly, from what I've seen, it's been our own community. And it's probably not just that, but that's another topic. But I'm going to go right into what I have experienced from seeing things on social media. Yesterday, I saw a lot of dragging Black-owned businesses, which I felt that was very, very low class to me, in my opinion. Honestly, in my outlook on this situation has to be strictly, you need to use your words wisely. When you are talking about Black-owned businesses, you're not just targeting one person. You're targeting us all. Especially when you write, don't shop Black-owned businesses. That's not cool. Oh, Black-owned businesses have bad attitudes, bad customer service. Don't shop with them. But you experience the same thing when you shop at Walmart, McDonald's, etc. But keep that same energy when you shop somewhere and they treat you worse. But you continue to shop with them, but you don't put that out there on blast. Let's keep it in mind. Small business owners go through a lot of things to create their empire. And we strive for the best. And as a business owner myself, I work very hard to take care of my customers. I definitely treat my customers with the best customer service I have ever done in my whole years of being in customer service. I've learned over the years better customer service. And honestly, my business is my baby, so I'm going to treat my people the best because they deserve the best. So if you're a person that does not know how to direct your anger towards a small business owner that you've experienced bad things with at one point, you need to think about it before you put it out there, because people are going to think about, oh, they're just going to just continue to drag down the community being this way. It's just not right. I feel like it's already hard enough to be a Black business owner as it is. We don't need our own people dragging us down more. Keep in mind, please, understand, there are good businesses out there, like myself, and I do get it. I definitely get it. You may experience bad experiences with people. You may experience bad situations with businesses all the time. But you never know what people are going through. We're all human at the end of the day. But I just wanted to shed light on that because it's just eating at me when people constantly are talking about, oh, shipping is late. First of all, if you experience that with a company, think about it. Right now, we're in a pandemic. It's going to happen. Some things are out of our control. Realize that. People start off small. And most of the time, people like me are doing it just by themselves. But at the end of the day, I bet you one thing, that small business owner is very grateful that you chose to shop with them and to support their business. Supporting a small business is everyone's dream. That small business owner started with a small dream and created goals for it, and boom, it became reality for them. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have entrepreneur questions for me, feel free to leave a comment below or shoot me an email.